Welcome students. Now today we will teach you one another lecture. This is very important. How to delete a node at any position. Many students they asked me, please tell me. Already we have explained. If you understand the linked list program, so in the linked list program we have to add 2 or 3 lines. All the algorithm are same. There is no difference between singly linked list and doubly linked list. We have to add only 2 or 3 lines, and your problem has been solved. Now I will show you one interesting problem. So in this is a position, already we have explained. Suppose you want to delete a node and its position is anyone. Okay, so how to delete this one? So now suppose the position is anyone. So now this is the created linked list. Already we have explained. So the user first input 10, then after then 20 and the 30. There are total number of 3 nodes. The first node, its address is 6656, second node address is 7576, and third node address is 8666. Okay, this address it has been stored here. Why? Because inside the struct node we have created 2 pointer. One is PREV link and second is next link. Pointer store only address, okay, and data it will store only value. Getting? So we have stored the address of this here, and we have stored the address of this here, and similarly we have stored the address of this here, and similarly we have stored the address of this. So this is the creation of linked list and the graph of linked list. Okay, now suppose the user want to delete the position 1. Okay, position 1, what is the meaning of position 1? This is the position 0, this is the position 1, this is the position 2. Means I want to delete this 20. Suppose I want to delete this 20. You can also delete this one. Already we have explained. You can also delete this one. You have to write only 2 here. Done. Okay, no changes. So now at first we have written PREV is equal to head. Why? Question. Because whenever the user is creating all the nodes, at last the position of P and PREV was here. Means the address of PREV is also same as P8666. Okay, but the head position is same 6656. So at first you will say that this is PREV. Means the address of head will point to PREV. Getting? Very simple. Now for loop will work. Okay, these 2 lines as similar as linked list. These 2 lines as similar as linked list. We have added only one line. Only one line to delete the node in doubly linked list at any position. Very simple. Now for I is equal to 0, I is less than pos, I plus plus. At first we have written P is equal to PREV. Means address of PREV is going to P. Okay, what is the meaning of this? So PREV, this is PREV, this is also P. We are saying this is head. Okay, at first we told that PREV is this, and now we are saying this is also P. So its name is 3. One is head, one is P, and third is PREV. Means address is same, but name is 3. Getting? Very simple. Done. Now after that we are saying PREV dot next link is equal to PREV. Again, if the user has written position is equal to 1, how many times the loop will work? This loop will work only for I is equal to 0. Means this loop will work only for one time. Oh, done. Then you have written PREV dot next link. What is PREV? PREV is this, means 6656. Its next link is this 7576. Now this is PREV. Means P is this. Okay, now PREV, we have changed the name of PREV is here. PREV come here. Okay, P was here, head was here, now PREV was here. Okay, PREV is here, sorry. Done. For loop done. At last we have written something. So P dot next link. What is P? This is P, this is PREV. P dot next link. Next link is this 7576 means this. Okay, so what we have written? P dot next link is equal to PREV dot next link. Okay, means if you want to delete this, remember, if you want to delete this, so what is your task? You have to change this address. Means this address must be come here. This address must be come here, and you must remove this. Done. Very simple. Okay, sorry. Okay, so what is your task? You will say PREV dot next link. What is PREV? PREV this, its next link this address must be here. P dot next link is equal to PREV next link. This address is equal to this. Getting? Means you are storing the address of this here in P. Very, very simple. Now see here, the line, meaning of line is this. So PREV dot next link is equal to P dot next link. Okay, the address, it will be come here. We have also written in a red line. Okay, the address of next link, this is PREV, its next link, this address, it will come here. Done. Okay, so at last what we have written, only one line you have to add. So this is very important. This address, it has come here. Okay, done na? You have to free it. Okay, but you have to change something also. After then what we have written here, what was 30 before? 30 was, the address was this. Okay, if you want to free this one na, so this address also you have to remove. So here the address of this address must be here. Okay, this 6656, it must be in place of 7576, then you can free it, otherwise not possible. So what is our task next? What we have written? PREV. Okay, PREV. What is PREV? PREV is this. PREV is this. 20. PREV is this. PREV dot next link. Its next link is this. This is next link, means 8666. Dot PREV link. Its PREV. Its PREV is 6656. Its PREV is 6656. Sorry, its PREV is something different. This is PREV. PREV next link. Next link is 8666. Okay, PREV. This is PREV, it is previous link, this is next link, its next link is 866 and its previous link, the previous link of 8666 is 7576. Now I want to change it. This is P, very simple. What is P? P is 6656. The value of 6656, if you will write here, then you have done. So same line, the meaning of line is this. The address of P will store in PREV dot next link dot PREV link. Okay, meaning of this. Done. Once you have done, it means that the meaning of this, you are storing the address of this here. Okay, 6656. Okay, before 30. So this is the final structure, and at last you can free, because in your PREV 8666 and here also 6656, if you will free it, no problem. So this box, it has been removed, so you can see that the address of 8666 is here, means in 6656 next link and 8666 previous link, the address is 6656. So this is your answer. I think that you understand. Again, if you are facing any problem, then you can ask multiple times. And similarly, if you will come here and you will compile, the program will also run. Never change anything in our program. Okay, 20 and after then 30, and suppose you want to position, suppose 0. Okay, I want to position 0 and I want to 100. Okay, 100, you can see that 100, it has come here. And now I want to delete. So suppose I want to delete this 20. Okay, this position 0, 1, 2, position is 2 and I want to delete. Okay, you can see that 100, 10, 30. So this position 20 has been deleted. How it is working, you know. Okay, thank you so much.